Hello friends, today we are discussing a most important topic of uh, current technology world, that is category of IT integrations. So first category is interaction based integration, on which we have B2B integration, means business to business integration, means if there is two business partners are there and they are exchanging their data. So this is B2B integration, on which key tech terminology used are EDI, XML or JSON, or EDI systems, AS2 or SFTP. Second type of integration, second within interaction based B2G integration, that is business to government integration. So as you know, e-invoicing or income tax or this kind of things comes under to this. And this integration we have to follow the rules of government, means whatever encryption they are saying to implement, or whatever keys they are saying to implement, we have to put that on our systems. And we have to put the data on particular formats, and on those formats we have to upload the data in the government sites. So that is business to government integration. In this API government portal, auth systems are important techniques. IRN, QR code, GSTN or e-invoicing is the major terms on this. Then we have business to customer integration, like current Amazon website or Flipkart websites comes under to this one. And this major terminology used in this is cart, payment gateway, OTP, UI. Then next, within interaction based integration is A to A integration. In this, that is application to application integration. Example is that SAP to CRM, SAP to SAP BW, like that things are there. In this, middleware or open connector or integration suite like terminology is used. Then next one is technology based integration. In technology based integration we have three main subcategories. First subcategory is API integration, on which different kind of APIs are used. APIs are web based functions, and that is there are so many types of APIs like REST, SOAP, socket, like that APIs are there. So common terminology in this one is endpoint and token, API gateway and OAuth. So second one is event driven integration. This is most important thing, uh, most important integration, because what happened, if we are using the dedicated integration on which more resources are involved, but in event based, whenever any event or miss thing happens, this kind of integrations are activated, are are running and executed. So in this, on particular event, actions are performed. So in this is trigger based communication. In this, major terminology is event, topic, subscriber, pub sub. Then third one inside technology based integration, file based integration, uh, in which we are exchanging the files in between, like bank integration or payroll system integration, legacy data system, means data migration kind of things. So in this, major terminology used in SFTP, batch jobs. So file based integration, majorly SFTP servers are used. So next category of integration is data or process based data and process based integration. In data integration, what is happening, ETL concepts is used, means data is extracting, transforming and loading. and this is core of business warehouse. In this, data is the main things. In data integration, either that is master data management, master data governance, or warehouses, all these things comes under to this data integration. Then we have process integration. In case of process means business process management, where business processes are integrated, like in SAP SD FI integration, SD integration, FI integration, PS uh, finance integration. So like that things come under to this one. In this, different kind of process, like they are means, for making the complete system every business process are synchronized, so this kind of integration has been used. Then next one is we have architecture based integration. In this architecture based integration, we have system integration. In system integration means, within within a company there is lot of subsystems like hardware, software or networking. So if we are making these systems integrated, or we have, suppose we have different kind of business systems, so if we are integrating to those systems, so that will be a system integration. So in this case, mapping or transformations are used, and in this multiple systems are combined. After to that, we have enterprise integration. In case of enterprise integration, we have harmonization kind of things are there, on which what is happening, suppose if one company is having multiple companies inside to that, or sister concerns are there. So if we are integrating all those companies in harmonized way, so this kind of integration is enterprise integration. Then next integration is cloud integration. So in this case, we are using, we are integrating on premise system to cloud system, or one cloud system to other cloud system, or heterogeneous and homogeneous clouds. So this kind of integration is known as cloud integration. So basic terminology is cloud connectors, iPaaS, API gateway, hybrid cloud, multi-tenancy. So like these concepts are used. Then next one is we have special case legacy integration. In legacy integration, suppose if we have legacy system and we are migrating to higher system. So if we want to integrate higher end system, because in higher end system we are not uploading the whole data, so in this case we want to get the data from the old system also. So this kind of integration is known as legacy integration. In this integration, major terminology used is adapter, wrapper, emulator, screen scraping. So this kind of uh, integrations are there. So once again we are revising to that. First kind of category of IT integration is interaction based. Second one is technology based. Third one is data process based. Fourth one is architecture based. Fifth one is special case. So this is it from my side. Thank you.